So, good afternoon, Mr. Rajesh Banka. Thank you for this interview. Uh, we would like
Good
to
afternoon.
start off this interview with a question where you could tell us something in brief about the background of how you came to forming this company and being so specialized in this particular line.
We were basically in electrical industry, and during our operations, we realized that there is a need of electric meter seal. So that way, we enter into this field, and our specialized product is electric meter seal. And when we came into this security seal business, then we started manufacturing other type of seals also, which is used in transportation, airlines, postal bags, courier bags, likewise.
So, in electric seals, what particularly, how does the product help the system?
The system is that electric meter require sealing because there are huge theft in the electric, and the sealing system has to be very strong. So when I came into this picture at that time, only lead seals were used on the electric meter. They were not tamper evident. If somebody stole the electric, they will not come and to understand how it has been done. So when you use a tamper evident security seal, which is also specially designed for electric meters, it is made of transparent polycarbonate material. So it is having a glass-like see-through property. If somebody is opening the seal, so it breaks. And if it breaks because of the transparency, you come to know that somebody has attempted to tamper the meters.
So, are these all in areas where there is low visibility? So, for example, meters are in places where obviously the consumers are unable to see where it is. And
Yeah,
because I was trying to get at that now with CCTV cameras coming in, a lot of such
yeah.
open abuse of the system is becoming a little difficult for those who want to do this. How do you see this whole issue now sort
No,
of
it is
growing?
not difficult. It is carelessness. What I believe it is carelessness. It is not difficult because every work is given to a specific person. If he is doing his job, then everything will be all right. But what happens because we are used to use the non-tamper evident security seals being a very low value product, no ample this consideration is made while selection of the seal. It is used as a statutory seal. People believe that seal does not work. But if the seals are used in the best possible way, it is selected from the right manufacturer, they work.
So, therefore, my
And
question is
one
yes.
of the reason of this huge electric theft and poor financial condition of discom in our country is due to meter tampering and power theft of.
So you have seen that the by use of these seals, this has tampering has come down.
Yes, definitely, because when we started in 2001 till 2005, taken the product from me. They appreciated like anything, but they found it very costly in comparison to what they are using. But gradually, people adopted it. At that time, the average losses were about 50-55%.
Yes, yes,
Now it is around 20%
20. Yeah.
on the national level. So
So
definitely the polycarbonate seals are working, but they can also reduce it further also if people use it very cautiously.
so my
For
question, Mr.
one
Banka.
example, I can
Yeah, go
give
ahead.
you,
Yes.
because it is low value product, people are not caring at the higher end. They just say, okay, you buy the seal. In our country system, it is L1 system. So when they form my specification, they say from the specification selecting my seal. Okay, this seal is good, let us buy it. But ultimately, due to this tendering system, L1 system, they end up buying a spurious product
Hmm.
and then they have to use it. And with every tender, the seal design changes. Your signature should be one. If you know this is my electricity board and this is the seal of XYZ electricity board, it should remain same. But due to this tendering system, every alternative year the seal changes. So what happens? Nobody has given details like this. What happens after 10 years? If the original seal is there, nobody knows whether it is original or duplicate,
Hmm.
because in between five types of seals has been used and there is no record whether this seal was on this particular meter or not. Maybe number is same. So the theft people, this counterfeiter, they keep the number same and they change the meter seal. And nobody, there is no record. So you only check the number. But what type of seals was there, it is not checked.
But tell me, why isn't that the OEMs themselves incorporate this sealing mechanism right in the product itself, rather than you having to supply this separately in order to protect that the meter?
No, there are two systems of this. OEM meter manufacturer, they use the seal for their warranty purpose. This meter is correct as per their specification. But when the connection is made to the consumer, the electricity board has to use it. They can't use because five types of meters are coming to them, A, B,
Mhm.
C, D. But the final seal should be one seal. Say if it is West Bengal electricity board, it should be one type seal only.
What is the size of this market? I mean, obviously there is a whole lot of counterfeiting, etc. What is the total? Have you got some estimates on the size of this market?
There is huge sizes because gradually people are now realizing the importance of the seal. They are changing from lead seal to polycarbonate seal, and the sizes is huge, and there are sufficient manufacturers in the country to cater the requirement.
Any size? Any idea about the size of the market in terms of value?
Not, I cannot give you the in value because value varies. If it is a quality manufacturer, the price is different. If it is a spurious manufacturer, the price is different. But in quantity terms, you can see the average, on an average, 5 to 6 crore seals are required annually in the country.
5 to 6 crore seals.
Yeah, for
Tell me,
electric meter purpose.
for electric only. Then there are others. All the others are
Yeah,
additional.
there are other like logistic for transportation, in transit safety of the goods, FMCG. Then it comes to food products where adulteration is there. People make theft, they put something wrong there. So it works for safety of the adulteration and contamination of the food products.
Which industry, Mr. Banka, has the major requirement apart from electricity?
It is mainly transportation, which
Transportation.
is now growing because the people have realized the need of the security seal during transit. There was huge theft in between, and the duplication of the products was also there.
I see. And this smart meters are now, I think the government is quite convinced that they want to roll out smart meter scheme. Would that be paving the way for a much larger growth for this?
Yeah, definitely. But only thing is what you are doing, you are replacing. So the existing meter will be changed. So the requirement will be there. Maybe 30% increase will be there in the requirement because of the time schedule.
Right. And
But a smart meter itself, people have an assumption that a smart meter itself are power theft will not be there due to the smart meter because of the IoT mobility, but it is not there. Physical securities are very important for any product. So physical security seal will be required, and then the new problem will occur, hacking.
right. So overseas, this is also a mechanism which is a regular feature there, that they do have these kind of seals, and then there is a system of hacking that could also take place.
All over the world, meter seals are used. Even in the USA, they use the meter seals. They are using the smart meter for more than 10 years,
Hmm.
but seals are required.
And do you have an export market for your company?
Yeah, we are exporting 30% of our production.
Which countries are you exporting to?
At present, we are mainly concentrating on South Africa, African countries, Middle East, Europe.
So coming to our,
Our thrust for this coming year is on export also. We want to increase our export.
how many people do you employ, Mr. Banka?
We have 150 people team.
And what are the facilities? Are they based out of at one place, or are they at different areas?
No, they are in different areas. They come daily for their working.
No, your facilities, your manufacturing facilities is at,
Our manufacturing facility is one place.
okay. And you are able to cater to all requirements across the
Yeah,
country.
yeah, definitely. Yes. We are proud that in last 25 years, there is not a single complaint we have received, which is very common in the industry.
Now, coming to this COVID-19 problem, how do you plan to restart your production facility?
It depends on the government how they facilitate because our worker does not stay in premises. So as per the government requirement, we will restart the production. And it is uncertain as on date,
Right.
you are aware.
Yeah. So basically, one is that your workers are coming locally, so they don't have an issue of having gone back to their villages, and you have to get them. That issue
No,
doesn't work. Is not.
that is not there. That is
But
not there.
but you have to maintain social distancing, sanitation, and sanitization
That
and
is
all that.
there. Yeah, yeah. We can do at this moment of time also keeping 30%, 40% worker in our factory itself. But the problem is the transportation, how they will reach to the factory.
Hmm.
So we tried that we should, because our product is also related to essential services like electricity board,
Right.
and our customers also include the milk dairy, which is a regular
Oh,
essential thing.
yes. So how much
The
production do
milk
you have in
tanker
stock?
also our product security. We normally don't keep stock. We manufacture against orders only because it is a totally customized product. My customer's name is there, the serial number, each seal is having a serial number which is as per customer's requirement. So normally we don't keep the stock, and even we don't get time to make stock because of the continuous requirement of the customers.
So currently, any plans how to go about starting production? Because now you'll need to actually produce to in order to supply.
No, no, we are ready. Once we receive the signal from the government, we will definitely start our production on phase-wise basis. Maybe keeping the social distancing in mind, we will start with 20-30% and gradually increase according to the situation.
There is a relief package which is supposed to be coming today, tomorrow, to be announced by the finance minister. As an SME,
We are expecting.
what
We
is
are
the
expecting for last 5 days.
topmost thing that you wish to that the finance minister must allow or must indicate?
They must give some tax relief. They must also give us some support for keeping the people because it is a long time. So we must be supported. We don't want to be our people are not paid. We want to pay them because they are also sustaining life. But we need to have support from government to sustain it.
All right. So let's hope the
And
package. Yeah.
definitely, yeah.
So let's hope
No,
that the
yeah, I'm looking forward for the package from the finance ministry.
yeah, and I hope everybody gets out of this not
Yes,
unscathed. I can't say, but definitely in best shape possible. And this ends
yes,
soon.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Thank you.
yes. I also pray everyone comes out of this as soon as possible.
So thank you very much for talking to us.
All the best.
All the best to you
Thank
as
you.
well. Thank you.